we actually did a lot of research a few months ago and wrote a blog post on what's called cognitive dissonance. That is the inability, or the difficulty that we have to make changes, even we know that is like the right thing to do. No, so I think many of us have a lot of data on fashion is a great example, right? On the environmental and the human impact of the fashion industry, but we still go to Zara. And there are many different steps on that journey. And for me, if I look back, I knew for many years, and I was still buying clothes. And it was difficult for me to make those changes, until I eventually stopped buying new clothes. Why do you think it's so difficult for people to take this step to start changing their purchasing habits? And what are your tips for them, and what are the resources that they can use? This is a question for all of you joining us.
I think there's a huge difference between attitudes, which is what we would like to do, and then behaviors, which is what we actually do. So first of all, we need knowledge to even have attitudes or behaviors. So the first step is getting informed about the topic. Then getting the attitudes, which is like, I really would like to only shop secondhand. And then it's just getting that little inspiration to get to behaviors. And we all get inspired with different things, So for me, maybe it's thinking about the impact on the environment. For other people, it's thinking about the social impact, or it can be anything. We're all very different. So it's understanding what pushes us to take that next step that will bring us from attitudes to behaviors.